How to set different wallpapers for lock screen and home screen on iPhone. Here's how to do it. First, unlock your iPhone and then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the lock screen. Now, press and hold anywhere on the lock screen until the wallpaper gallery appears. Tap the plus button to create a new wallpaper. Next, choose the wallpaper you want for your lock screen. You can select from photos, emoji, weather, astronomy, or any of the available wallpaper collections. If you choose a photo, select the picture you want to use. You can now customize your lock screen by changing the clock style, adding widgets, or adjusting the wallpaper to your liking. Once you're happy with it, tap Add in the top right corner. Instead of tapping Set as Wallpaper Pair, select Customize Home Screen. Now you can choose a different wallpaper for your home screen. Tap Photo, then select another image from your Photos library. You can also choose color, gradient, or enable blur if you prefer a cleaner look. After making your changes, tap Done in the top right corner. Finally, tap Done again to save your new wallpaper setup. Now, lock and unlock your iPhone, and you'll see a different wallpaper on your lock screen and home screen. And that's it! You've successfully set different wallpapers for your iPhone's lock screen and home screen. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.